Hello everyone, welcome back, Simply You Makeup. I am V. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. I do appreciate every time you view, comment, and I hope that if you're not subscribed, you will subscribe. I have a subscription box. I finally decided to join a box because I couldn't find one I like. And I love a palette. I love an eyeshadow colorful palette. So I decided to subscribe to this box right here. It is called EYESCREAM Beauty. You can say Eyes Cream Beauty or Eye Scream Beauty. Either way, that's it. Here it is. Ice Cream Beauty, Eyes Cream Beauty. Either way you say it, it's the same thing. This little box. This box is smaller than what I've seen, but I guess it depends what's in it. I did go ahead and open it up so we can save some time. I want to show you what I received. It comes with a card like this. And I did apply for 6 months first because I want to try it. I want to do the 6 months. Let's see what it is. If it's good, I will continue. If not, then I'll stop. It came with 5 full-size products. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the prices are next to it telling you how much it would be retailed for. It's by Chamasi Milano. And it is a multi-chrome eyeshadow. It's a single one. This is what the packaging looks like. And it is packaged like this in here. And you can see the different shades already, even before I take it out, right? I can see green, gold. This is pretty. This is it, and I haven't even uncovered it. It is in a cute container. This is the container. Wow, this is gorgeous. I just dropped it and it didn't break, so I'm making sure. This is it right here. And it shifts to different colors. Trust me when I tell you that. It's green. Right now I'm seeing green. Let me see if I bring the light down, what will happen. Let's go all the way down. Okay, so that's a multi-chrome. Very nice. Woohoo! I might be doing a look after this, so keep watching. The next item say Halo Glow Face Stick by Medusa's Makeup, and that will cost $12. It's a holographic highlighter stick. Okay, I guess this is it. Yeah, Medusa's Halo Glow. It comes packaged like this. Need to take out the packaging because gotta try this thing. Gorgeous. Woohoo! Okay. It's a halo highlighter stick. Okay. It's covered with this. This is nice packaging. It comes with this and then they cover this. So it does in case it moves in transportation packaging. And then this is it. I'm going to do a look using all these products in a few minutes. So that's the Halo Glow Face Stick by Medusa Makeup, $12. I paid $25 for the box, but because I do the 6 months, it came down to like $23 after I applied the coupon. Next item say Lip Cream by Creme de la Cube, $25. Okay, lip cream. Okay, lip cream. Okay, this is how it came packaging. It comes in a box like this. And then the stuff is in a whole other cutesy little box. Isn't that pretty? Okay. Now, how do you open this? Oh, okay, you just pull it, pull it up, and it opens. Wow, what is this again? Let's see. This say it is a lip cream. Okay, you know, this is so interesting. This is like a globe. Okay, okay, I turn and it open, and then, ooh, okay, it has a little protector, and this is what it looks like. Pretty cute. No smell, and it's a lip cream. Okay, so cover back. This is so interesting. Cover back and cover back. This is cute. You can leave that by your bedside and it will look so pretty. It's a lip cream. Crema della Cube. It is a cube. Next item in there is called Sugar Daddy lipstick by Medusa Makeup. Also Medusa Makeup. Medusa Makeup makes the Halo Glow stick, and they also have Sugar Daddy lipstick, which would be $14. Okay, Sugar Daddy, what a name. So this is the packaging, and this is the lipstick, and it's called Sugar Daddy. I already know that color can be something that's my favorite. Okay, and see, it is a brown nude cream. These are not my colors, but I pair them with other liners or other lipstick to make them work. So this is the lipstick. So far we have 4 full-size items, and the last item in the box is, there was a choice. It could be Just Desserts or Vampire Palette by Ladybug Glow, and it's $30. I picked Just Desserts. I guess I was thinking about food and not vampiness. It was in here. I just took that out. This is the palette. That's the outside sleeve. The palette and the sleeve is the same. It has a mirror and it has a little sleeve like this. I'll put over the mirror so you don't get blind. And this is the palette right here. I picked that palette because that purple and that orange were calling my name. So this is the palette. This is the palette, and I'm going to swatch it for you. It is a 12-pan palette. There are 8 mattes and 4 shimmers. They might be dual chrome or multi-chrome, but I put them in the category of shimmers. So 12-pan palette, it is very pretty. This color sold me, and this color, that's why I picked this. And then, you know, the grunginess I like. This is what the swatching looks like. I bring down the light so you can see the swatch. These are the colors. These are the shades. They're very pretty. Swatching them, you know, I'm not a good swatcher, so I have to wait until I use it on my eyes. Until I use it on my eyes so I can tell you how it is. So far, swatching it, yeah, but swatching don't always work. But the colors are beautiful. Take a look at this. How pretty is this? This color right here, that deep purple, like purple with, it looked like it has blue in it. This is pretty. The colors are just gorgeous. This one next to the purple is more like a taupe to me. But they all have a shift. The 4 shimmers are 1, 2, 3, 4. And they are all, you know, this green, it turns green, it's blue, it's purple, it is gorgeous. So these are the swatches of the palette. And the palette is by Ladybug Glow. If you have any of their palettes, let me know in the comments. Tell me what you think about the ice cream box. Did I get my money's worth? When I add everything up, it came up to $114. Again, I have never used Ladybug. I have never used anything by Ladybug Glow or any of these companies mentioned there, so I'm excited to try it. And this is so pretty, isn't it? Oh my God, it looks so beautiful. This is so beautiful, isn't it? It looks very, very pretty, like on a dresser. This is everything I received from the ice cream box. It's my first box. I'll keep you posted as I keep getting them. I will share them with you. And again, always remember you first. Love yourself plenty. Take care of yourself. If you're suffering with mental illness, any addiction, or any other problems, please seek help. Help is available. Take care of yourself. Do not dim your light for another. Seek help. Do not ever give up on yourself. I will see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe. Again, do you think I got my money's worth? Bye.